This program shows you a few things about strings. Strings have a certain length, and the computer will automatically measure that length. We can also print a string with specific characters, and that's what we call the assign function. So this is how this little program works, and let me just run it. Oops. I need to have my cursor here. Okay, so this is what happens. I have a couple of strings, first name, last name and full name. I also have a string called stars, and over here I can specify a number. So I enter my first name and my last name, use the get line, because conceivably you could have two first names with a space in it, or two last names. Then over here we're going to create a full name by concatenating, pasting together the first name and the last name and putting one little space in between, like over here. There we go. Now we can measure the length of this full name with the length function, which is a built-in function of the string library. So this will give you a number, how many characters the full name string has. And then you can take the other string, the string called stars, and assign to each of the characters for this many characters, num stars, and then over here a little star. So that means that now I have my first name string, my last name string, the full name string and the stars string. So over here I just print the star string, which is the exact same length as my full name over here, and then over here at the bottom I just print it again with this command. It doesn't have to be stars. You could think of pluses and like this. Oops. Well, let's do that a little bit different over here. Okay. Let's do Control H. We'll star and replace it with plus, and I'll do all of them. So of course we also want to change this into a little plus over here, and let's see if this will actually run. Yep, ERNST backering, and you see that it works just fine. In fact, to demonstrate the get line, Tico Jan Ernst and backering, and I'll call myself Junior over here, and you see that it works just fine because of the get line over here.